Sissy from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and today we're going to be counting to 20. My aunt was supposed to do this with my baby cousin, you know, kids. So I'm going to be the toddler. Hi, so my mom made a lesson plan, and you can print this off on Kid2KidTutorials.com, and you can download them. So here are the instructions how to do. And also, here are the cards that you can cut out. So, since there's zero things there, so there's 0 as a number and 0 written off. And there's 0 items there. And then there's 1 written as a number and 1 written as a word. So, and there's 1 giraffe. Another way you can do this is use index cards. So, you don't have to just write the number 0. You can also write the word for any number. So, you could do, let's start off with 1. So, since there's 1, we would put 1 object. You can use any object, but we're using swords. So we put 1 sword. And then now 2. So we have 1 sword so far. We need 1 more to make 2. And then next, let's do 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And if you wanted to make 10, you wouldn't write it on 1 card. You just put 1 and 0. And for 11, you're gonna need 1 more 1 card. So here's 12. And this will be helpful later on when you're learning place value. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and spread the word to all the toddlers.